Hi, welcome to GlideFX. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to install Geometric Dash on your Android. So you just go to your Play Store. So right here is my Play Store app. On the search bar here, I'll type in Geometric Dash. So we have different kind of Geometric Dash. So you see the one that don't have any other word except Geometric Dash on it. You just click on it. So you have to pay a particular amount of money in order to actually install this on your phone or any device that you're making use of. Now if you don't want to get this one that you have to pay money, that means you have to install Geometric Dash Lite, which actually lasts for a few weeks before it expires or before start demanding for money. So if you want this, you can install it, but if you want to make use of Geometric Dash, the main Geometric Dash, you have to install this one that don't have any other thing except Roblox games. So and right here you can have access to all the games you wish. So guys, that is it on how to download and install Geometric Dash on your phone. If this video was helpful, do well to follow GlideFX for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.